Good morning, children. You have for your first midterm examination total 50 marks. Okay, here I made a mistake. The total marks are 50. It is not 10. It is 50 marks. Total 50 marks, and in that written test is you will be writing 40 marks. The test will be conducted for 40 marks. Again, you have 10 marks. You have to write the test. 10 marks for it is 10. Okay, so 10 marks you have for your project work. So last year 3 and 4 those who did, they know, but you may not know. For that, this 10 marks you will be presenting the addition on abacus. So that we will see the project work 10 marks you have, no? So for that you will present addition on abacus. So this one you will present in video format, not in drawing or in pictures. You will do it in video format. So what you have to do means, first you have to prepare an abacus. So that to prepare an abacus, you can use cardboard, eco-friendly things you can use it. You can make your own creativity, whatever can be. Okay, thermocol you can avoid. If you have no other way, then you use thermocol, but you can avoid thermocol. You can use wood or cardboard. No, with that you make an abacus. After making abacus, then you need their beads also. Beads you can use your own local beads, otherwise you can buy from the shop. Otherwise you can make your own. All will have your wheat powder, no, wheat flour at home, wheat flour or any other maida powder like that. No, you will have anything. So there you can make a goal. You can make a goal even with the mud. You can make. But if you dry it, then you can use it as a bead. No, mud also, clay. You can make it gold and you can dry it and you can use it. Okay, so now I will tell how to do this one. So this is the way the abacus, no, this is the way only you are making. This down part can be a cardboard or you can make it in a wood. Then in that 4 spikes you have to keep. So these spikes can be stick, the bamboo stick or any coconut stick, anything can be. Again otherwise the iron rod also, the string, no, so that also you can use. After making this first, you can make it any creativity. You can cover it with color paper or anything. It is up to you. Okay, then you mark the places. Okay, so the right side place will be ones place. Again next tens place. Again hundreds and thousands. Mark the place. After marking it, only this much you will do. You are not going to do in your video. Okay, so this you already will prepare and keep. This much you will prepare and keep. But when you present it, when you are going to present, that time only you will start recording. Okay, so here I have taken one example for addition, no. So you take any example of 4-digit number like this for addition. First the addend, no, first addend, first you have to show it here. First you have to mark it here. Let me show how to do. Okay, so here from ones place only you will start. Here in ones place 5 is there. Okay, so you will put 5 beads here, 5 beads. So these 5 beads, each digit can be in different color. You can use or the same color. Okay, so I am using here different color. So I am going to use an internet connection. Sometime it will be, if it is not fast enough, so the shape may not come. So you can just adjust it. So 5 I have to put. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have put 5 beads. Okay, now next in tens place we have 7. So I am going to arrange 7. So here you will use beads. Okay, I am just showing drawing. So here in tens place there are 7. So I am putting 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is shape recognition, no? So this part became like a flower type. Okay, so that is different. So you arrange it properly. This is I am showing in picture, so it will be like this only. Next one, in hundreds place we have 2. So you will arrange 2 there. So 2 beads, 1, and 2 beads. Next one, in thousands place we have 6, so we will arrange 6 beads there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 I have arranged. See, the recognition will be it will be the how much the internet connection it comes that way. Okay, so you can adjust it. You will, I think for your understanding only I am showing. I think you will understand. Now this much first you will show. First the addend. Next now we have to show the addition, how we are going to add. So from ones place only you will start. So in ones place, in the addend which we are to add, here we have 3. So you will add here 3 more beads here. Okay, so here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it is on the top, it is not showing. You think it there is 3. Okay, it is one after the other. So 3. So total if you put 3, how much will be there now? Already 5 was there. Now 3 more we have added. So now the answer in ones place will be 8. After adding 3 more you are getting 8. Okay, so here also you can write the answer 8. Next we have in tens place we have 2. So now we will add 2 more beads in the tens place. So I have added 2 more beads. So now how many how many will be there? Already 7 beads were there. Okay, so now 2 more I am adding. So it will be now 9. So now the answer in tens place will be 9. Next we have in hundreds place we have 4. So I will add 4 more beads in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after adding 4, already there was 2 and now I am adding 4. So now we will have 6. So the answer in hundreds place will be 6. Next, now we have in thousands place already we have 6. Now 1 more again I am going to add. So 1 more I have added. So already there was 6. So if I add 1, it will be now 7. So the answer in thousands place will be 7. So the total answer, the complete answer is 7698. Okay, so this is the way you will show your answer. Okay, this is the way you have to complete your project work. Okay, first you make abacus. So that you need not to show in. It is your wish. If you want to show that how you are making abacus, you can show it. Otherwise, you without in the video you need not show how you are making abacus. Then after that you take what example you are taking, that you have to show. First you have to place this addend in the abacus. Then next addend how you are adding, how many you are adding, that you will show. Okay, so this is the way you are going to show in the video. I have drawn and shown in the video, but you are going to use the real beads. Okay, real objects here, and you are going to show it in the project work. Okay, so if you those who don't know how to make abacus, last year's I can give you. Last year's they did not do addition, just they placed only one number in the abacus. Just they placed the digits in the abacus. They did not do addition, but now this year I am asking you to do the addition on abacus. Okay, thank you.